Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into RIA Advisors, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type the URL for RIA Advisors. Press the enter key on your keyboard to load the website. Once the homepage loads, look for the login button or link. It is typically located in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the login button. A new page will open prompting you to enter your login credentials. In the first field, enter your registered email address. Next, move to the password field. Type in your password carefully. Make sure to check for any typos in both fields. If you want your browser to remember your login information, select the Remember Me option. Once all information is entered correctly, click the Sign In button. The system will process your login request. If your details are correct, you will be redirected to your account dashboard. In case you forget your password, look for the Forgot Password link. Click on it to initiate the password recovery process. Follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. If you encounter any issues logging in, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. You can also try using a different web browser. If problems persist, contact RIA Advisors customer support for assistance. Now you are successfully logged into your RIA Advisors account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.